Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed and created your account in Grindr. Let's get started. First of all, open your Grindr app. On the top right, you can see your profile. Click on it. Here you can see edit profile option. Click on it. In your current profile picture, there is a small photo like option. Click on that. Here you can add your profile picture. Click on photo library. Next, finish. Done. This is how you change your profile picture in Grindr app. Thank you.